Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see the arithmetic and the assignment operators in Python. First let's see what is mean by operators in Python. Python operator is a symbol that performs an operation on one or more operands. An operand is a variable or a value on which we perform the operation. So first we are going to see the arithmetic operators. So the arithmetic operators are the numeric values to perform common mathematical operations. So they are addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, exponentation and floor division. Let's start coding. First I am opening the Python shell. Have you noticed that we are always moving to the new file when the shell is open? Like this we are always moving to the new file. Now we are not going to use this new file. We are going to code in this Python shell itself. This shell is used for some small line by line coding. Now it checks whether the code is correct or not line by line. So this is the use of this shell. Now today we are going to use this shell. Let's start coding. Here I have assigned the value 10 to the variable A and assigned the value 6 to the variable B. Now I am going to perform arithmetic operations on these two variables. The arithmetic operators are addition, that is first A plus B. I am printing A plus B, it is 16. Next A minus B and it is 4. Next A star B, that is A multiplied by B is 10 into 6 is 60 and A divided by B and it is 1.666. If I want this as an integer, that is removing this fractional part, then I have to print A double divisional of B, that is 1, because the integer part of this floating value is 1 and the decimal part is 0.666. Now I want to neglect this, so I have used the double divisional operator. So it has returned 1. If I want the remainder of the divided, then I have to use this modulus operator. Pressing shift plus 5 gives you the modulus operator and the remainder will be 4. Okay, next we are moving to the assignment operator. Here itself I have used the assignment operator equal to. Now other than equal to, we are using more assignment operators. Let's see what are they. See here, assignment operators are used to assign values to the variables. First x is equal to 5, then the value 5 is assigned to this variable x. Next x plus is equal to 3. This means x is equal to x plus 3. Suppose the initial value of x is 5, then this x is equal to 5 plus 3. Instead of this, we are using this plus equal to assign the value to the variable x. You will be more clear when I code it. So again I am opening the Python shell. First I have assigned the initial value of x to be 0. X is equal to x plus 10. I am printing the value of x. So x is equal to 0 plus 10, it is 10. Instead of using this equal to x plus, I am replacing this 3 to x. Again I am initializing x is equal to 0, that is syntax here. X is equal to 0. Now I am performing this operation in another way, that is x plus is equal to 10. This is same as this. So now I am printing the value of x, it is same as 10. So instead of this I am using this. This is the one of the assignment operators in Python. So in the same way we can perform not only addition the subtraction, multiplication, division, and also the modulus and also the double divisional operators and etc. you can print. For example, x modulus of is equal to 10. I am printing the value of x. It is 0 because the remainder, when we are dividing x is equal to x divided by 10, the remainder will be 0. Because x is already 10, then 10 divided by 10 is 0. For your more clearance, what does it mean? Means x percent 10. This is same as the previous one. So this is same as the previous one. The output is same. So today we have learned two concepts, the arithmetic operators and the assignment operators. Have you noticed that here there is no print statement, but also I am getting the output? That is this importance of this shell. Without using the print statement, you can get the output here. See here, I just printed a plus b, but I haven't used the print function. In this Python shell, you don't want to use the print function. Instead of that, if you print the variable, if you just enter the variable, the output of the variable will be printed. So this Python shell is more useful for line by line coding. While we are coding in this new file, we have to use the print function, for example, and we have to save the program before running also. So for example, x is equal to 10 and I am printing the value of 10. Now I have to save the program before running. So today is my 5th program. Saving it as 5th program and running. So the output is 10. So instead of this, I have used this shell for this small operations. So that's why we are using this shell today. So in the next video, we will learn about more operators that will be more interesting. So if you haven't subscribed our channel, subscribe this. So thank you for watching this video.